Hi, my name's Christina Leopold. I'm best known for creating unbaked recipes of cakes and sweet treats, but using all plant-based ingredients. I studied culinary arts back in college, but I left the food industry after graduating. When I became vegan 3.5 years ago, that led me back into the kitchen because I found myself having to go back to the drawing board in terms of what to eat and what ingredients to use, cooking everything from scratch. So I spent a lot of time in the kitchen making these recipes. All my free time went into it. So what I would do is bring them to work, bring them to my family and to my friends, and they encouraged me to get out there and share them with the world. The aim of Addicted to Dates is to help people understand that you don't have to compromise on taste or texture when substituting with plant-based ingredients. I'm really happy to present to you the recipe that I've created using the kit Tarte Meringue. I've replaced all the traditional ingredients using plant-based alternatives, for example cashews to give a creamy texture, and replacing an egg with a vegan version using flaxseed. I first discovered Silicone+ through Instagram from seeing other people's creations, and that really intrigued me because I saw how many different possibilities there are, so many different molds, so many different shapes, and for me in particular, being able to create something like a magnum from my kitchen made with healthier plant-based ingredients was just amazing. I can't wait to see your creations. Have fun.